Transformer windings may accumulate moisture due to their hygroscopic properties. Keeping a transformer open without some preventive measures for any length of time is not recommended. Dry compressed air is necessary to prevent moisture from entering the transformer. Globcore manufactures a machine precisely for this purpose. The Mojave series unit is designed to dry and purify atmospheric air and to dehydrate sorbents. The machine ensures a dew point of -50 degrees Celsius. The dry filtered air from an adsorber and a particulate matter filter is pumped through the transformer tank, facilitating a flow of fresh air to the maintenance personnel inside and preventing atmospheric moisture ingress to the transformer windings. While one of two adsorbers dehydrates air for the transformer, the other adsorber is being regenerated. Thus, the cycle of dry air supply is uninterrupted. Operating the unit requires no significant training due to a simple and rugged design. The unit is controlled merely by several buttons. High reliability of unit is ensured by high-quality components and protective cage. Many of performance parameters may be upgraded on customer request. The paint coat will preserve the exterior and appearance of the unit for its entire lifespan. For more information, please visit our website at www.globcore.com.